Happy full moon in Virgo. The Virgo full moon is happening on March 13th, and it's happening at 23 degrees and 56 minutes of Virgo. Believe in the magic of the full moon in Virgo, because the magic of the full moon in Virgo is here to bring abundance and success into your life. I actually believe that this full moon in Virgo is pretty magical. First of all, it is the blood moon, and it's also a lunar eclipse. Okay, it's big. Okay, also we have the Mercury retrograde. I made another video where I talk more into that, but this is a very magical full moon. It's in Virgo. It's probably going to be work or health related, or something that has to do with something that you might want to do perfectly, or you want to do better than you did it before. You might actually go and revive something that you had let die on the vine earlier, and you might revive that. So if you've got belief in something, but you maybe just didn't have enough belief and you just let it die on the vine, go ahead and believe in the magic. Go ahead and revive it, renew it, redo it, and see what happens. This is also a great time to connect with nature and to ground yourself and to amplify your manifestations under the full moon. If you don't know how to ground yourself, there's several ways you can do it, but most people just take off their shoes and just walk in the grass for a couple of minutes. That's the best way. Or touch dirt with your feet or grass with your feet. That's an easy way to do it. Or just go without shoes, even inside the house, because some people never touch the ground. It's weird, but they don't. They always have on shoes. Another way is to push in on your lower abdomen, which is called the dantian. If you push into that for a few seconds, it helps to kind of ground you back here on earth, because sometimes we kind of float inside of our bodies and we're here but we're not here. So sometimes I'll push on my lower abdomen just to make sure I'm like, okay, I'm awake, I'm here. Do you have a ritual that you do for the full moon? If not, it's time to create a ritual to align your energy with the full moon's manifesting power. You know, the full moon is probably the best manifestation moon of all moons, because things are growing. It's at its peak. It's at the pinnacle, and you can actually attain a lot during the full moon. One of the things I highly suggest is to take a shower and wash your hair, because our hair grows faster on the full moon or the 2 weeks following the full moon than at the new moon. So if you have not done that recently, then wash your hair, and you can cut your hair. It's the best time to cut your hair for hair growth. But what other rituals do you have? Some people like to make sure they take baths during the full moon and put in things like sea salt and Epsom salt and rosemary and flowers and oils and all kind of things to make your body feel good. So those are just some ways you can create a ritual, but let me know of any rituals that you do on the full moon and how they've worked for you. Because this is a full moon in Virgo, it's important to embrace the practical and analytical energy of Virgo to plan for your desired outcomes. Use it to your benefit. This full moon in Virgo is also the perfect time to practice gratitude for what you have and what is yet to come. Appreciate the abundance in your life. Since Virgo tends to worry and nagging and concerns and, this is the perfect time to release any doubts or fears holding you back. So trust in the universe and its timing. During this full moon in Virgo, it's very important to set intentions for success during this powerful lunar phase. Focus on growth and prosperity. Virgo is also obsessed with organization. So during this full moon in Virgo, Stay organized and focused on your journey to success. Keep track of your progress and keep yourself organized in all things. During the full moon in Virgo, it's a perfect time to take inspired action towards your goals. Make positive changes in alignment with your desires. In other words, go for it. Most importantly, visualize your goals clearly under the full moon in Virgo. Believe in your ability to manifest abundance. This has been Adrienne, Capricorntigress of astrologyaLookInside.com. If you've made it all the way to the end of this video, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also take a moment to let us know what your moon sign is, if you know your moon sign, or your sun sign, if you know your sun sign, and how this full moon in Virgo will affect your life. Many blessings. Astrology, a look inside. Presenting astrology and tarot readings for all.